It has been some 8 days. We have not received our RT-PCR results yet. There has been no acknowledgement or communication from the hospital or authorities through messages or calls as to what our RT-PCR results are. I had gone to my hometown in Dharchula Pithoragarh district, Kumaon, and got myself tested along with my family on 19th of April. Some of us were positive in rapid and some of us were negative, but as you know, and all health professionals advise that rapid antigen tests are not always accurate. The main results are based on RT-PCR results. The ones who got positive results in rapid test are doing fine, but the ones negative are not doing okay. As we all know how important it is to know the cycle of infection in COVID, we are unsure about the number of days we need to be isolated for. I have been trying to call private labs to get myself and my family tested again, but the response has been the same for quite some days now, that testing kits are over. The private testing scenario also in Kumaon is not that great. There are hardly any private labs that are testing for RT-PCR. So if I do get myself tested and it says negative, what does it mean? Was I always negative? Or was I positive and then turned negative if my reports don't come through? I also want to talk about the stigma people have created around COVID in small towns. A lot of people have told me that they are sick but will not get tested because the hospitals in small towns circulate their details in WhatsApp groups and they fear that the society will abandon them or their shops. For small shop owners, this is a big deal as many are hand to mouth small businesses. I just want to plead to people in my state and all over that COVID is not immune to you. Anyone can get it. Please don't stigmatize it and stop creating rumors. If ever you know or you get to know that somebody who you know is COVID positive, please do not spread false rumors or any kind of rumors until and unless you are sure about that person's health. Rumors and gossips can take a toll on someone's mental health, adding further trauma to a COVID patient. And also it refrains many from getting tested. Regardless of what is happening around us, it is very important to get tested and isolate yourself if you're feeling sick. Big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore have better health resources but are still struggling. Imagine what will happen to us if we don't take care. Even if you're from a small town or a small state, do not think that it's not going to affect you because it probably will affect us severely more than the people who are in big cities because they have proper hospitals. We don't.